the cannabis industry, because the cannabis industry is so small. The majority of the people are 1 degree away from everybody. If not, they're 2 degrees. Within a matter of days, weeks, months, your name can literally be destroyed very quickly. So this game of having integrity and having the trust and loyalty goes way further than any $100,000, $20,000, $50,000. None of these things can even come close to equating to the value of your reputation. Even $1 million. There's been larger losses I'll talk to you about in other videos, but you can never let your integrity be bought for the number that was lost. And once you start doing that, you're going to really go down a slippery slope, and you're going to burn your bridges. You're going to lose your other avenues to actually create income, to actually earn that money back. So by doing the right thing and having the integrity to pay it back, not only does it actually help you attract more and actually build the strength and the confidence to go out there and get it, but you can actually pay back what you owe plus earn more on top and actually elevate your own life.